What? Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's video. Good afternoon. Sorry, I've already been out and about. It's really the afternoon already. It's almost 1 o'clock. I just love that there is no time. I do whatever I want when I want now, and I love it. I remember showering every morning the second I got up, and I hate that. I hated it because I'm not a morning person, and to drag myself in the shower every morning before work was hard. But then once after the shower's done, you're fine. But I just get up when I want. Not too late. I have my coffee, I play with the dogs, and then I'll decide when I'm going to shower for the day and get ready. So anyway, I thought I would go over today some of my shorts, reels, TikToks, whatever you want to call them, the vertical videos that I might not have talked much about. I'm looking at my videos now. Don't forget to follow me on these channels if you haven't already. This is from Estee Lauder. It's an Advanced Night Repair Concentrated Recovery Power Foil Mask. I'm going to get ready with you using these items as well as I talk about them and how I feel about them. This came in one of my Ipsy boxes. It's a Sheer Glow Primer from Misho Beauty. I never really use primer, so we're just using it for today. I don't know that it really does anything for me. I really have to say I don't know that it does. My daughter swears on it. I don't. I don't have like a new foundation either. What am I doing here? No, actually, so before I go in, since I don't have like a newer foundation, I'm just going to use my Merit stick because I've been seeing this all over, and I'm like, I have that, and the video, they always look so good in it, like, wow. Okay, like, I am literally just putting it where I want it, which is my cheek area to even tone my skin there, because it's always just like blotchy. I'm gonna go with my brush. I usually use my hands, like if I have a liquid, it depends on the mood I'm in, I don't know. If I'm doing definitely like a tinted moisturizer, I'm going in with my hands for sure. This is Merit's foundation in Bisque. You can use it as a concealer too. Look at that. So, you know what's funny? I see some of these videos with, oh, look at the coverage. And these girls are like 25 and they're beautiful already and they don't need anything to fix their face because it's perfect. But when you get older like me, you can get blotchy. Actually, I'm lying. You could be young and blotchy. But if you want to see how a product really works, you got to look at like a before and after. Like if they don't need it, how are you going to know if it works or not? So now you can see how even, look at that, my skin tone. Now, yes, I have a sunspot there, but I'm going to use a concealer for that. And I'm going to use this, which I got recently from Smashbox. This is Halo Healthy Glow 4-in-1 Perfecting Pen. Conceal, brighten. I made a video on that. I'm going to conceal. Maybe a little conceal here on my red cheeks. That's conceal. I'm going to brighten a little here. Brighten my little nails. Going back with the same brush. Just going to pat that in. I don't want to wipe it off because then sometimes I wipe it off and then I'll wipe off whatever's underneath. And I don't want to do that. So I haven't used a sponge in a long time. Maybe I should pull the sponge out. And whatever is left on my brush, just kind of going everywhere. Pull down on the neck though, that I do. Nice and even tone. You see that, the difference? I hope the glowy look comes back for the summer because I really like the glow. I'm not a fan of matte. I used to only like matte, and then the glow is just so beautiful and natural. I think I just like that better. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm going to use my Merit Blush Bombs. Bronzer and blush. Yes, this is more of a blush, but it's okay. I'm going to kind of mix them together. Some people aren't even bronzing anymore, they're just blushing it. And I'm not a fan of, I didn't mean to go across. I'm not a fan of blush as it is, but see how light that is? That didn't look as dark as you thought it was going to be, right? And now, look how red that is. Isn't it beautiful? I'm not going to go crazy, but it's not like crazy red when you spread it out, so it's fine. And I'm going to put a little here. Okay, clown. Now I'm going like this because that's where the sun would hit me. I just want it to look more natural there. I'm going to put a little of my NARS bronzer on too because I just love it. Again, I'm not the biggest fan of like blush. I like more browns. I don't know. It's like I try to get rid of the red on my cheek. It's easier, not easier. You know why it's good to make shorts? Because I can listen to my music because I don't speak in my shorts. I can't play music with you guys because, you know, copyrights. So I feel like I'm so boring. But when I add music, it'll be more fun. I wish I could hear that music first. Maybe I should do that. Pick my music first. Anyway, and then I could just play it. Actually, before I move on, I do want to tell you products that I already used before this video. Cosmic Bronzing Drops by Luna Bronze. I really like this. I'll add like a drop or two to my daily lotion, depending if I feel like I need a little more of a color. I'm feeling a little pale, I'll put that on. And I got this from Stella's Blue Lotus Moringa Oil for the face, skin, hair, and soul. And I really like it. You know what I've been doing? Because it said it's for all that stuff, before I go to bed at night, I'll put it on. I'll put it all over, and then whatever's left I'll put on my hands, and then I take a little more, and I've been putting in my hair at night, and my hair's looking good in the morning. I don't know if it's because of that, but if I do that, and then I put like a braid in my hair, which I never really do, but I've been doing because of hot flashes at night, my hair's coming out softer. It's interesting. So I really like this. It's a nice little addition to my skincare. From Indeed Nano Set Blurring Setting Spray. I keep forgetting to talk about this. I didn't make a short on this, I don't think. I meant to. It's in my bathroom. I use it. I got this from my Ipsy box. This is House Labs eyebrow pencil. And I forget that sometimes you might see me say I got this in my Ipsy box, and you're like, I didn't get that. But I forgot that at the end of choosing your products, sometimes they'll say, hey, here's some really reduced prices if you want to check it out. And I do that. Sometimes they have $3 products there. How could you say no? So some things I might have gotten through their shop at the end of picking your products. If you are like, hey, I didn't get that one, it was from the shop. And I apologize if I don't say that, because I forget. I just get my box and it's all in there and I'm all excited. So I might have gotten this from the shop, or it might have just come with the monthly subscription. I don't remember, but I like this. This is a typical type of brow brush that I like to use. I don't know why I'm like missing hair there, but whatever. This pencil type, this tip, it's really easy to apply these pencils. And most of them, for the most part, come with a brush. This one even comes with a sharpener, although I don't know why, because you don't really need a sharpener. I've never had to sharpen these. Lovely. Does a really nice job. It really does. So it's a warm day today. Let me go change because this robe is making me sweat. I'll be right back. Feeling much better. Okay. So where were we? Eyeshadow? Oh yeah. So I was telling you that I sometimes purchase things now. I don't know. Look at, I've overused this that I can't even see the name. Lash Step. This came in my Ipsy box. I don't remember again if I bought it. It has a lot of fallout, but you know what? It's like one of my favorite. It's become one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. It has every color that I would want in an eyeshadow palette. Starting with white all the way to black and everything in between that I would like. They're all matte, there's no shimmers, but I just love the different shades of nudes and browns. I just love it. Love it. This was in my Ipsy as well. Like I don't really buy makeup anymore, guys, because Ipsy like gives me so much stuff. Full size items too. When I think of how much money I used to spend on makeup, oh my god. Get Ipsy if you don't want to spend a lot of money on makeup, but you want a lot of makeup. Okay, we have lips left. I also got these. They're in a short. Lip liners from Misho. Oh, Misho. Is that the same? Oh, Misho Beauty, which is the same as my primer. One was darker than the other, so what I did was use both of them. This is literally perfect because it's the same color as my lips, maybe a shade darker, which is really the right color to use for your lips. Just go a little shade darker than the color of your natural lips. I don't think I got any lipsticks really that are new, so we're just going to fill it in with the lighter one. That's what I did last time and it felt great all day. Go over the line a little because I hate when it's so obviously a different color. Ooh. I think my makeup looks good. What about my hair? I thought I got a hair product. But I did do a video on it, so let me go do my hair. Should I just prick an old product? This is an old one. I'm gonna try this again. This is Briogeo, or is it Briogeo? Curl Charisma. Now, I had gotten a Briogeo, or Briogeo, whatever, sorry, I apologize, a long time ago, a product for my hair, and I loved it. So I thought this was the same one, but it's not. And I think when I did use this, I was like, not as impressed as the other one, which I have to look into. I'll pop which was the one that I used like many years ago. Oh, you know what I did? Look. I forgot I was experimenting. Instead of scrunching my hair in the turban, I just wrapped it, and I just wanted to see how my curls were going to come out. What is this? This is a gel. No wonder. We all know gel is not my favorite type of product, but we're going to go in with it. I always remember this product smelling, like this name brand smelling good. Natural. Rice amino and quinoa frizz control gel. I feel like I haven't had my hair styled like this in a long time, so let's just do it for fun. Ever since I got like more the, not bangs, but it's shorter in the front. It came out so good. It came out really, really good. Now I don't know if the reason it came out so good is because of my new friend. I had that on. It's a fan that I got for my hot flashes at night because I'm sweating. And I keep it on and I sleep so much better with it. And I was tired of these tiny little hand fans. Although, this was an amazing fan. I think it just gave up, and it's like 3 years old. So I got it on Amazon. I'll put the link. Just stopped. You recharge it and it lasts a long time, or I just leave it in all night. And I would sit it by my bed. It was perfect. A lot of these little fans don't work so well, but this one, this is, what is this, version tech? Or tech version, I don't know, but this was a good one. I got my daughter one too. It was time to progress and move up in the world, so I got a standing fan. That's not the typical fan that I would get at CVS with the blades. But I like this. I like it a lot. It turns, oscillate. I don't even know the word. I forget how to say it. And it has different speeds. It has a timer. I'm gonna go because I'm thinking this was a long video. Oh, did I tell you about? I did want to talk about my Shiseido video. And the reason why I don't have it, the bottle anymore, is because I used it all. Look at oh, the rose, yeah. The rose contouring is good. I did a lot of, but I couldn't, that's like a whole look in itself. So this Estere clothing, I love it. The Luna bronzer, the Halo, Misha Beauty lips, different curly hairs. My Ipsy, oh, a BB cream from Ciate. I think I gave it to my daughter, that's why she wanted a BB cream. Yeah, they had a powder too. I wasn't crazy about that powder. I like my Laura Mercier. Oh, I wasn't crazy about the eye paint either on that one. This is the one. Shiseido's Vital Perfection Uplifting and Firming Advanced Cream. I really feel like that was great for my skin, and I would like to repurchase it, to be honest. I'm going to wait a little though, because I have my typical L'Oreal collagen that I use all the time and will never give up. I stop using it when I get like nice products like this, and I loved this, so I'm debating when that's empty if I should get this. We'll see. What's this? Oh, Wander Beauty. Love that, but I use the other eyelash. Juice Beauty Prebiotic. I am definitely ready for the summer with my SPF. This is from Kate Somerville. Well, the one I just showed you is Juice Beauty Prebiotics. The one I was just talking about. SPF of 45, and it's glowy. Daily multitasking moisturizer with 45, SPF of 45. Yes. I'm saving these for like when the summer comes, because I don't go out a lot. So I used to put SPF on every single morning, and I don't anymore because there were so many days that I just don't go out at all. So I only really now do it when I go out. This is from Kate Somerville. This is Skin Health Experts Hydracate. Get it, Kate? Illuminating SPF 50 plus drops. Protect, hydrate, and illuminate. I really like this. The reason why I haven't made my short yet is because I'm waiting for a sunny day, and I haven't we've had them, I guess, but I've been just so busy. But it's raining again today. But they say rain all day, but it's getting sunny, so I don't know. Maybe I could finally do this. I'm waiting because I'm gonna show you guys how really good it is, because it doesn't streak. It's not white casting like some SPFs. See, it just disappears right into your skin, which I like, because I hate, like, every time I'm putting lotion on, you get the white cast. And just because I have makeup on, I'm still going to put this on because I'll show you. Oops. Protection from the sun is more important. I didn't ruin my makeup or nothing. You can put it right over your makeup. Okay, guys, I'm going to go, and again, I will post this. Look at my fan. It's a floor fan. I love it, and I will put that link below. I'll put the link below and all the links to these products. I will have all these links below, and yeah. I'm gonna have to put this at the top of the barrel here. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I will see you in a bit. No,